Hello, students. Okay, my name is Sangwon Lee. Okay, you can call me Dr. Lee or Sangwon or my nickname. My nickname is Bruce Lee. Okay, I learned Taekwondo when I was young. Okay, today I'd like to introduce you to international marketing class, Marketing 470, which I teach. Okay, so international marketing. So you might be wondering what international marketing is. Okay, there are a lot of questions nowadays. If you go abroad, just drop by McDonald's and then you will find, wow, Gold Notch, I'm loving it. Same Big Mac, wow, it's the same, I like it. Why do they use the same name, same menu items? And also you might see, wow, BTS burger, wow, why they use BTS burger? Or if you go to some countries, they have some different menu items. Wow, I have rice burger or sushi burger. Wow, I have Maharaja Man. We call it adaptation in marketing. Why they use different menu items? So all these are questions in your mind, right? So in international marketing, first, we went over all those different environments, including economic environment, cultural environment, political environment, and social and also legal environment. Okay, so of course, culture matters. What is culture? Way of living from generation to generation. So we cannot change the culture. So we should use some adaptation approach, right? So with the development of social media and also digital media and also multicultural environment, international marketing really matters. So in international marketing, we are going to go over all those different environments, including culture. Then we will plan marketing 4 P's. What are the 4 P's? Product, place, promotion, one more, price. Okay, so in different environment, now we are going to focus our resources on global marketing opportunities and threats. What are the opportunities? If we go global, we have a lot of new market, right? So new opportunities. What are the threats? New environment. Okay, so after we scan all those different environments, we are going to learn how to plan our marketing 4 P's. Okay, marketing 4 P's. Okay, then our final goal is to satisfy our customers' needs and wants, right? So we are going to satisfy our customers' needs and wants with our product or brand so that we can increase the brand equity of our brand. So what is the brand equity? Brand value. Apple. The brand value of Apple is almost, how much can you guess? $1 billion. See, just the brand value. Okay, so our goal is to increase the brand value using all those, global marketing environment scan and then also our marketing 4 P's. So in this class, you will have a chance to choose your product or brand and also your target country. And then you are going to launch your product or brand. After all those scan of different environment, and then you will develop all those marketing plans. It's going to be fun. Then you will present your project in the classroom. And then if you find any new cultural environment, any new languages, or even if you choose McDonald's, and then what is your new menu items? McDonald's all over the world, then you can present it to class and you can develop your marketing plan. And then finally, you're gonna present and write a paper in the class. It's so much fun. It's a great project. It's a great class. So now, do you wanna travel abroad in the future? Do you wanna work in the future? Do you wanna get a job in some countries? And then do you wanna go overseas and then see whether you have different menu items? Then just take my class and then you will see a lot of different culture and also new marketing plan to satisfy our customers' needs and wants, and also to increase your brand value or brand equity. Okay, so welcome to my class.